Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking in. Please subscribe if you haven't and turn on your notification bell for more videos. There's a like button there, just tap on the like button and I'll really appreciate. Today I'm going to be cooking a pot of soup for a family of 4 on a budget of $8. We all know how everything is getting so expensive. People now spend more than what they earn and it's really causing hardship. If you are the type of person who doesn't know how to manage, now is the time. Learn how to economize. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to be cooking this pot of soup for that amount of money. So I'll show you guys all the ingredients I have for this soup, and yeah, we'll cook the soup together, okay? In this bowl, you have all the proteins that I need. That's meat and fish with some cow skin you're seeing there. So the whole of this bowl costs about $6. Everything you're seeing here costs about $6. But before we could get this for a lesser amount. I have this mango seed known as ogbono. So this mango seed was already at home. I won't be including it in the price list because I had this at home. This is Maggi. This is what we use as seasoning. I bought this for 500 and 500 now is not up to $1. This is crayfish. This is prawns, okay, young prawns that are dry, we call it crayfish. This is not up to $1, it's 500. This is egusi, which is melon seed. I had this at home, I did not buy this. This is pepper, dry pepper that I'll be using. This is salt, I had this at home. Here is bitter leaf. This bundle of bitter leaf was not up to $1, it was almost half $1. This seasoning and this bitter leaf plus a crayfish is equal to $2. This oil was already at home, I didn't buy it. Yeah, so this is everything I have that I'll be using for this soup. Hey guys, look at what I have here. I've washed and fixed everything. I'm going to let it cook for some time before adding in the other ingredients. So let's see how it goes. So I'll have to let it simmer for some time before I can add in water, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoy this cooking vlog. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you have. See, and here is the grinded ogbono. I don't want to put much ogbono because it's very slimy. So this is the bitter leaf. Like I said, I still have to wash it very well because I don't want it to be bitter in the soup. I'll be using this fish. Just 5 minutes later, this is how my pot looks like. Now I need to add original water. The water you're seeing is from the meat. I need to add my own water now. So guys, I've added water. The aroma of this meat is already oozing out, guys. Trust me, it's going to be delicious. So guys, my pot has been cooking for the past 30 minutes. You have to cook it so well so that the meat should not be hard when chewing. So right now, I think the next step is to add in my egusi, which is melon seed. Hi guys, so what I want to do now is to mold my egusi. I want it to be lumpy in the soup. I've added a little bit of hot water. This hot water will help in molding the egusi. So let me show you how I do it. So this is my egusi, right? After adding the water, I have to mix it very well. I've always been trying to mold egusi in my soup, but at the end of the day it gets scattered in the soup. I don't know if I've been doing it the wrong way, but today let's see how it goes. You guys, I almost forgot adding this fish. The fish also has to cook for some time. I'm still going ahead to add in this egusi, okay? So the egusi will be cooking together with the fish. I told you guys I've been trying to mold egusi in the soup, but it doesn't mold, it always gets scattered. Let me see this one today. When it's too lumpy in the soup, I don't like it. I always try to scatter it before eating, or I just shift it aside. But I just like seeing it that way in the soup. It makes the soup look attractive, it makes the soup look yummy. Guys, I don't know if I should close the pot or I should just leave it. There are some beliefs that if you close the pot, egusi will scatter, it won't mold. So I'm just confused right now. You guys, this is the crayfish that I'll be putting in the soup. You guys, it's quite unfortunate my egusi did not mold even though I left the pot open. I'm so disappointed. You guys, I've added my palm oil, so I'm now adding crayfish. You guys, so I want to make garri. We'll be eating this soup with